How to negotiate the Southwick roundabouts from different directions. This is a popular choice of direction for driving tests, and here's how we negotiate them. Shortly we'll be turning left, going up the hill towards Southwick. The A1231 at this point is 50 miles per hour. Shortly the speed changes. This catches quite a lot of people out. We're turning left and we're going to be climbing the bank up to the first of the roundabouts. As we climb the hill to the first mini roundabout, you'll notice very poor visibility on the right hand side. We're going to be turning right, third exit. Following around the corner, there's another mini roundabout. Again, visibility to the right is very poor. Turning right, second exit. Remember to go around the mini roundabout. It's a roundabout and not a drive over. Again, approaching the mini roundabout, we're going to turn right, second exit. Similar situation with the visibility. And make progress from the junction. Over the other side of the bank, there's a roundabout. It's common to take the second exit at this roundabout. Check your mirrors, remembering not to indicate until this point. Look left, indicate left, and exit the junction and make progress. Heading in the opposite direction, as we approach the roundabout on this occasion, we're going to be turning right, second exit. Check your mirrors, indicate right, and on approach, look to your right. If it's safe to proceed, into the right lane, left blind spot, indicate and spiral out to the exit.